I just got my groceries delivered from Target right now. I used Shipped, but I have to unpack all of this and then store it in the fridge in the pantry. But that's what we're gonna do first today. And then we wanna go to either Dollar Tree, Goodwill, or another thrift store. I want to find some like fall clothing pieces, which those I have to go to like a thrift store. But yeah, that's the plan for today. Right, Martha? Yeah. But first I have to put all this up, and I need to get my phone to tip the driver or the shopper. Well, hopefully everything is in here and good, because I didn't have my phone well. Shoot. I'm in my new car finally. Camila's back here. She's looking at me. We're gonna go shopping today. Not really, I'm just gonna go see what I can find, but we're gonna go to Dutch Bros first because I've never been there and I want to try their drinks. And then we're gonna go to Goodwill and Dollar Tree because I need to buy some stuff for Camila's birthday. But today is actually the day before Camila turns 1 year old. It's freaking crazy. But yeah, let's see what we end up getting at Dutch Bros.
Yeah, large.
No, I look good.
Dang, why I look so little?
Okay, who's gonna go first? Share the drink.
Okay, guys.
Okay, I got a vanilla ice.
Well, you need to tell them where we went.
They saw me, not to Dutch Bros.
Okay, let's restart. Hey, guys. So, we just went to Dutch Bros for the first time ever.
How come mine doesn't have the logo?
And not to be confused with Dutch's. Dutch Bros coffee.
Maybe that's why I thought it was very.
Yeah, I thought it was British too. But I got a mango. It was just a regular mango smoothie. And I'll rate it 3 out of 7.
What? A 3? Why would it be out of 7?
Because the aftertaste is weird. It tastes like, and she got a Red Bull. Her drink looks like sunset vibes.
It looks pretty.
It's red and then orange. And this is called
it's called peach mango watermelon with strawberry drizzle, but I don't see no drizzle. It was supposed to be blended.
and I don't know, the Dutch workers, I think they were having too much fun and not focusing on our drinks. Because Miss Girl over here is missing her whipped cream. And she gotta tell them what you got.
It was an iced vanilla chai tea. It tastes good.
Iced vanilla
chai
tea. Does not taste good.
You didn't like it?
I don't like that one. It's like,
I rate my drink a 5 out of 10. I rate mine a 9 out of 10. But I like Starbucks better.
but how much was this one?
14. Wait, what?
So like almost the same as Starbucks. Because Starbucks, their drink is like $5 per drink.
6 for the.
What is she doing? But now, guys, tell them where we are.
We are.
I forget this is your channel.
Oh, you can't tell, but we're at a thrift store. It's a local one.
How
We'll
to
see what we
thrift? If you
find.
know, you know.
Yeah, we'll just see what I find. I'm not looking for anything in specific. So, why are you sweating? Camila's wearing a little spooky outfit today. Oh, and she's angry. Let me get her out. Action. Okay, this is what I ended up getting at the thrift store. I got this little shirt. Cute. I got this one. Ma, tank top. I got this for Camila.
So cool.
And then I got this shirt. And then this one. Just a regular tank top. That's the last thing that I found.
Hooray!
Hooray! Cute. I would call this a very successful trip to the thrift store.
Cut. I know. We're gonna get it fast. Wait. Put her out. Wait, put her out. Put her out. Wait, look, le están haciendo.
Camila.
Camila. Vete, mamá. ¿Dónde vas? ¿Dónde vas? Mete el pie.
Good job, Camila.
You're so good at walking. You're a pro. Ooh, she knows how to make turns. The grass is probably wet too.
So this is what my car looks like from the outside. I love it. Does anybody else love it?
I love it.
It's a 2-row seater. I wanted a 3-row, but I couldn't find one that I liked. So this is what I ended up going with. It's kind of dirty inside because I've been using it for like a couple days now, but this is what the inside looks like. It's pretty cool, pretty simple. Nothing very interesting. And then we come to the back, and it is dirty too over here. I have Camila's car seat, and then there's still a lot of space in the second row. There's still space here with me driving normally. I don't know what this is. And this is what the back looks like. So I can fit Camila's full-size stroller. Very good back here, and I still have space to put other stuff. So it's super spacious, which is what I loved about it. And it also was really clean when we first bought it. That's what kind of attracted me more to the car. But that's